AC Replacement in Garner, NC is made easy with AC Today Heating and Air Conditioning. Our expert team ensures reliable installation, energy-efficient solutions, and comfort-focused service for homeowners seeking dependable air conditioning replacement in Garner, North Carolina. Contact our AC Today Heating and Air Conditioning today for a free estimate. Are you looking for an AC replacement near me? You can stop looking. You found AC Today Heating and Air Conditioning Garner. What does AC replacement include? AC replacement includes removing the old unit, installing a new energy-efficient system, checking ductwork, testing performance, and ensuring proper airflow to provide reliable comfort and long-term cooling efficiency. How many years should an AC unit be replaced? An AC unit typically lasts 10 to 15 years. Replacement is recommended within this range to maintain efficiency, reduce energy costs, and ensure consistent comfort for your home or business. What is your AC repair area for the Garner, North Carolina office? Our local AC repair has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Garner, Raleigh, Auburn, White Oak, Knightdale, Williams Crossroads, Feltonville, Cary, Clayton, Shotwell, Powhatan, Holly Springs, Willow Spring, Indian Creek Overlook, Stagecrest, South Mountain, Trebor Meadows, Highland Trails, and Sauls Ridge. Where is your Garner, North Carolina AC repair located? We are located at 187 Donmore Court, Garner, North Carolina 27529. Our phone number is 919-335-9030. Visit our website, https://actidayvots.com/